This is the third time I'm dropping sauce on these pants. On the first try as well. That was a squirter, bro. The wrap squirted while I had my bite.
Yeah, same, bro.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
yeah.
It was crazy.
Hi guys, I'm Rehan.
I'm Nikunj.
And today we're doing a challenge where we stuff our mouths with food and guess what the other person's saying. We'll be each given 3 tries, so 3 sentences that we have to guess, and the loser gets a prize. So prize love.
Okay.
Yeah, prize. The loser drinks this. This is our devil
Don't tell.
sauce. Yeah. I think we have to demonstrate how spicy it is. So kata yeah. Arshad, pick. This is Arshad, our operations head.
And we just made it a bit spicier.
ठीक है पियेंगे ये.
तू पी रहा है bro, मैं नहीं पी रहा.
तू ही पी रहा है 100%. ठीक है. Thank you.
Thank you. We need it. We need it.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Yeah, cameraman.
So spicy you lose your mind. Why are you laughing? We'll put some hot sauce on it. I mean, devil sauce. क्या? Eat another bite. Please turn on the AC, man. You love these burgers.
No. I love thick burgers.
You love these burgers. इसमें दे रहा हूँ. Okay, just say it out.
हार मान लिया तू?
हार गया.
I like thick burgers.
Thick burgers.
Yeah.
Why? I said I like these burgers.
हाँ, तेरा first try was good. See, you're spoiling the game.
Thick burgers.
Yeah, thick burgers.
How does that even make sense?
Complain कम कर. बोल. Bro, थोड़ा और खा के फिर बोल.
Why are you complaining?
See, why are you complaining? That's what you said, right? Now,
You know my feelings.
because you know my feelings. Yeah, you can eat a little.
Next bite. What happened now?
Is he not complaining a lot? Does everybody not feel that over here in this
Who's
room?
complaining right now?
Okay, let's try again.
Drop sauce on the.
तू जानता है मेरे बेस्ट क्या है?
हाँ?
तू जानता है यह बात कौन है?
तू जानता है यहाँ शेफ कौन है? तू जानता है यहाँ बॉस कौन है?
क्या सेठ? क्या सेठ? तू जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है?
अरे यार. So guys, the first one, both of us didn't get right. So we have 2 more takes that we can try. So I'll take the next word.
Just some.
This you should.
Devil sauce was
this you
missing.
should get. You should get this.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to do this. And I will do.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Whiskey on the rocks. Whiskey on the rocks.
Whiskey on the rocks? Delhi blood, bro. Delhi blood. What do I do?
I think I said the whiskey too clearly. After that was very easy.
I think the whole thing is easy for me.
I agree. तू भी यही करेगा. वाह.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. So we're taking it to the final round now. We've both got the second one right.
Level 2 was easier.
Level 2 was way
We
easier.
both got it.
Yeah, level 2 was easier. We both got it.
First वाला तो मुश्किल था. Thick burger still. सही नहीं लिखा आपने.
No, actually, I could have gotten yours as well on the first one. I think final. Let's get the
I
final. word.
almost got it, bro. Thick burgers नहीं समझ आया बस. Dude, I can't stop eating it.
Can I change? I want to change it. Can I change a bit? Can I change a bit of the word or no? I can.
Hindi में.
English.
As long as you understand.
You understand the change I'm making in one. So I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Potato. Potato. He's never gonna get this.
Java.
Yaba matlab?
Java. It's a dialogue, bro.
I don't know.
चुप चुप के. You are a potato.
Well, that's them. I'm not going to say it again,
Yeah.
but I have to eat more.
Then eat more. I know you like it.
Food is fantastic.
Obviously.
You are potato.
I still hear the same, bro. You are dash potato. Is it potato or not?
I can't say that.
My chance is gone.
It can be tomato,
One more.
can be tomato, can be
One more.
potato.
Once more.
So, this is the final attempt he's
This is
getting.
the final time. Why you yapping, bro?
I don't want to eat more though.
Get him something else. Eat the chips, no? It'll be easier for me.
No, it's just that I'm not used to having this food at 9 a.m.
You're not used to waking up at 9 a.m.
You are potato.
You are a couch potato.
Oh yeah.
Yes! 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 Oh yeah, baby, yeah. Oh yes.
I think I'm gonna lose this.
Yeah, of course. Okay, let's go for it, honey.
हाँ no, वापस बोल. बोल ना. Bro, if there's anybody in the world that can get this, वापस बोल. वापस बोल. वापस बोल.
एक और बार खाऊं?
हाँ. Well, I think I got it. बोल.
मैं खा लेता हूँ.
ये बहुत खा रहा है. Everybody sees that over here.
Everybody sees that over here.
It can't take too long.
तू एक रैप के साथ ये भी खा रहा था.
But मैं रैप का बाइट छोटा ले रहा था ना, idiot. He's doing the same fucking thing that he complained about like 10 seconds ago. करते रहो. वापस बोल. अबे ऐसे नहीं बोल सकता वो. वापस बोल. वापस बोलना. Proper. Chew a little bit and then say it again.
एक अटेम्प्ट गॉन है इसका अभी.
2 attempt और है.
हाँ भाई, एक
दो
अटेम्प्ट.
attempt और
एक
है.
अटेम्प्ट गॉन है.
हाँ, एक attempt.
Exactly
said
भाई, ये
करते
क्या?
रहो.
यही बोल यार, फिर से बोल. तेरे फिर से बोलूंगा मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम वो ले लूंगा तेरा एक.
Kobo wobo. That is the sound he's making. Kobo wobo.
मैं थक गया है खा के.
I actually think I'm going to lose this. That is why I'm actually putting some kind of punishment on him.
Honey, punishment will be this.
Chal tu kha. It will be very funny if he eats all of it and then I get it.
Isn't that devil laugh?
Do try a devil wings. Complain कौन कर रहा था अभी?
कौन को? अभी कौन को?
हाँ चल बोल अब. So bloody Hindi word ना?
हिंदी.
करते रहो.
इसने 2 बार सेम चीज बोल दी
सेम चीज बोला हूं मैं वापस.
और तूने बोला था लास्ट है तेरा.
No, you have to like last. एक और attempt.
तूने बोला था ये लास्ट
one
है.
more attempt.
तूने बोला ये लास्ट है.
नहीं मैंने ये बोला ही नहीं.
तूने बोला नहीं अभी.
मैंने बोला.
इसने बोला तभी मैंने पूरा खाया. इसने बोला तभी मैंने पूरा खाया.
Last attempt. Ball. एक put a ball in your mouth.
I can't believe I'm doing it. भाई.
बोल.
Yes, why?
Last bar and then I'll guess. I can't guess. I have nothing to guess on this.
Use a Kanta.
So I lost. I lose, right?
ये
So I
मैंने बोला था चेंज करने को. तूने अपनी मौत अपने हाथ से लिखी. I told him to change. You're like no. I did do. हो गया तेरा काम. पियो भाई पियो. करते रहो. Bro, करते रहो.
For the first two
करते
attempts.
रहो. करते
For the
रहो.
first two attempts, I didn't even know that the damn thing was Hindi. Guys, I'm not gonna drink the entire thing. If I
Of course
drink
you're
the
gonna do
entire-
it. That was your plan, bro.
Okay, I will drink it.
Oh my god. Get him some damn coke, bro.
नहीं चलेगा. I think I can manage. भाई AC चालू कर दो यार. अब तो कर दो.